Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Netflix on Amazon Fire TV. First, turn on your TV and your Amazon Fire TV device. Make sure Fire TV is connected to the internet. From the Fire TV home screen, go to the top right screen and click on the search icon. That the magnifying glass. Use your remote, type Netflix. When the Netflix app in the search list appears selected, now you will see a Netflix app page. Click on download or get even open. Wait a few minutes while Netflix downloads and install on your Fire TV. Once the download is finished, click on open. The Netflix will now launch. You will see a sign in screen. Enter your password using the remote. If you don't have a Netflix account, you will need to create one on your phone or computer. After signing in, choose your profile. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.